Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Today we're diving into the Realfit F3 true wireless earphones with active noise cancellation. We'll start with the unboxing and then move into my honest review. Are these worth your money? Well, let's find out. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. The Realfit F3 comes in a clean and minimalistic box. On the front we have the branding, the product image, and the mention of the ANC or the active noise cancellation. At the back we have the specifications of the earphones and the necessary information about the earphones. Just pause the video if you want to get more technical. One of the sides we have the information about the earphones as well. The other side we have the Realfit branding. Well, with all that being said, let's jump into the unboxing. Inside the box we have the Realfit F3 earphones housed in their charging case, a USB Type-C charging cable, extra ear tips for customizable fit, finally the user manual. Overall, the unboxing experience is straightforward and neatly organized, although the packaging feels a bit cheap. The build quality of the Realfit F3 feels solid. The earbuds and the charging case come in a sleek white and blue color scheme that stands out. The case feels lightweight yet durable, and it's small enough to easily fit in your pocket. The earbuds themselves are lightweight and comfortable to wear. The earbuds have a stem design with touch controls. They are compact and ergonomically designed to ensure comfort during long listening sessions. Now let's talk about the features of the Realfit F3. These earbuds run on Bluetooth 5.4, promising a stable connection with a range of up to 10 meters. The earbuds have 30 mAh battery, offering up to 4 hours of playback. The charging case adds an additional 300 mAh, giving you about 15 hours of total use. The earbuds take about 1 hour to fully charge, and the case takes about 1.5 hours. When it comes to the active noise cancellation, this is a key feature ideal for reducing background noise during calls or music playback. Let's forget about the features that were claimed and focus on real performance. When it comes to the performance, the Realfit F3 delivers decent sound quality for its price. The bass is kinda punchy, and the mids and the highs are clear. The overall sound quality is good but not exceptional. It gets the job done for casual listening. The active noise cancellation, however, is just a gimmick. It doesn't work. By the way, the user manual will help you get the controls right. The touch controls work fine, allowing you to play, pause music, answer calls, and more without needing your phone. For calls, the microphones do a good job of picking up your voice clearly. However, in very noisy areas, the call quality may drop slightly. So are the Realfit F3 true wireless earphones worth it? Well, if you're looking for budget-friendly earbuds with so-called ANC and reliable touch controls, these might be a good pick. Just don't expect top-tier sound quality or ANC, but for the price they offer solid value. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.